Hey guys, I'm at the Dollar Tree in Mount Laurel, so I'm gonna check out to see what kind of Easter spring stuff they have. So let's get to it. Okay, so when I come in, they have all the eggs, and you get 12 pieces for $1. You have just the plain ones, some little silly faces, some animal and glitter ones. This cute little bag. So they have these Easter pads, llama coloring book. These are fun to do crafting. They have the Easter eggs. These are fun when I do my candy bouquets. Nice little decor. I like that bottom one, the rustic one. They have Cottontail Farms and Carrot Patch. It's really cute. I like this faith one, that's pretty. Hope. These are really cute. These ones are cute for the kids. It looks like they can color them. These are new. I haven't seen these. And they got these cute little soaps. Adorable. Definitely gonna have to get one of those. And they have the Easter bunny one too. The little gnome sign. The welcome sign. Easter. And then more crafting supplies. These are cute too to make a tree. These have the little ribbon on it so you can hang them. And then they have some lawn ornaments and some eggs. And then they have some St. Patrick's Day stuff. So we have these fun headbands for the girls and beads. They have some gold coins and hats. And they have the little ones for the little guys or girls. Bow ties. Got some summer pinwheels out. And some top hats. Really, really cute. Let's go over more to the Easter stuff. And they have some baskets. We have the stuffed animals and books. These are really cute. You can't beat a book for $1. And then more crafting stuff. You have the stuff you can paint. And the eggs. My kids love these. The little easels. These are fun for parties too. And the ceramic ones. They even have the little ball and the wood letters with bunny ears. Some more ribbon. A lot of different ones. These ones are pretty. And then the mesh ones to make the leaves. Some styrofoam bunnies, eggs, cute little stuffed animals. They have a sheep. Look how cute. A little bunny. These are really fun for crafting. Here's more of the baskets they have. Super cute. I like this. This one's really cute and detailed. Reese's, Andy's Mints, the Whoppers, and Lollipops. They have the Starburst. And then the eggs. They have the chocolate and the peanut butter. They have these cute little s'mores bunnies, Easter bunny, and the little chicks. And they have these cute cards. These are really cute. Wish for a bright and blessed Easter. And it's a card with a chocolate. These are so adorable. I have never seen those before. It's a cute gift for $1. Some chocolate bunnies, Mike and Ike's, cichlids. They have the cookies and cream. They have the little bunnies. And we have the Smarties and the Charms. And the colorful Krabby Patties. Sour Patch More, Junior Mints. So a lot of different variety. These are cute. And over here they have like the non-candy stuff. We got bubbles, We got the Echo microphones. Those are fun. We got some puzzles, little wands, little dolls that are so cute, dinosaurs, planet slime, different colors in there. We have Rubik's Cube. We have more little games. They're matching games. Little monster trucks. They have a checkers board game. Some more dolls. These are fun. So this was lip balm trolls. So only $1. You're not gonna find a name brand toy for $1. And then they have the little pails for the beach, which are fun. They have little sun catchers and little purses, which are so cute. And this is what they have in there, a 7-piece set for $1. It's a really good Easter basket stuffer. And then they have more paint stuff. This is new, I haven't seen before. They have Mardi Gras decor. The bubble poppers, these are party poppers. They have the masks, the decor, little champagne glasses, the beads, and then the nice little streamers. Over here, we have some more. Cute little hats. We have this balloon arcturus party. We have some confetti. And we have little crowns. More confetti. These are cute. Lip gloss surprises. More of the feathers. So, very fun stuff I haven't seen before. Alright guys, so I just got out of the Dollar Tree. And I got some stuff to put away for Easter. I got the Krabby Patties, which my son loves, and the Trolley Bunnies that my daughter loves. I grabbed these cute little chopsticks because where are you gonna find these for $1? They're trolls. And they're finger toppers lip balm. So I thought that was so adorable. And then I got the soaps. I got the little ducky, and I got the bunny. Really cute decor. And I did get one of each of the cards. The Easter blessing cards, and they have the chocolate in them. So again, they do have a nice little saying in them. And I thought that was so cute. It's a nice gift for anybody. So that was my little quick trip to the Dollar Tree. They had really cute Easter decor, St. Patrick's Day stuff, Mardi Gras. So again, this is in the Mount Laurel Dollar Tree. So thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And I hope you have a great day. Take care.